Hi, in this video, let me demonstrate how to replace the maintenance box, the cartridge maintenance box, call it the way you want, on your Canon MegaTank G4280 printer. So you're gonna turn it around this way. And what I like about this printer is that it's very easy to replace. Some Epson printers requires you to have a screwdriver, but over here, you just need your finger. So the maintenance box is located on this corner. All you have to do is to stick your finger in this hole while you keep the printer in place with the other one and pull towards yourself. This door will come out and then you can stick, right over here your finger and pull out the maintenance box. This printer takes the Canon G07 maintenance box. I'll put a link towards Amazon if you need a replacement one. So you're gonna throw this, take the new one, and then simply slide it. There's nothing complicated in doing this. Put back the cover. Here you go, and you're good to go. So this is about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.